everybody, good morning. This is Jean here. Just taking a lovely walk in our garden. It's so lovely, beautiful day today. It's a little bit chilly. We go for a walk every day. And I had just gone outside onto the porch. It was so funny. And Maxwell was out there drinking his cup of coffee. It's a pretty early morning. And he was wrapped up in the leaf quilt. If you remember, I had made a quilt 15, 20 years ago, my leaf quilt, and the leaf quilt has been famous for every single kid having it, wanting it. It's disappearing for a year, finding it in trucks and down at the beach and around campfires and sleepovers, and it's been washed a million times and it surfaces. And it was interesting, he pulled that one out, and the hasn't quite turned yet, the autumn colors, but there's a little nip in the air. It's chilly, and he was wrapped up on the porch. So I said, I said, let's go get your Lego car, and I'm gonna film that. So I'm gonna come in to the house and up through our family room here. You can't really see, it's real dark. And our front room. I'm gonna come out on our porch. So it's a lovely day. You know that we live on a fairly busy road here, but I have my lovely fall decor, and I come out on our porch, and who do I see? Hey, my Maxwell baby. So people want to know, people want to see your car.
Here it is.
Go on, pick it up. Maxwell worked how many hours?
I don't really like picking this thing up.
No, I know you don't. I know. Yeah, how many hours did you work on this car?
Lost track.
You lost track, yeah. This is a Lego car that Maxwell put together. It's a Porsche, and it bounces up and down. So, Maxwell,
yeah.
how you doing, hon?
Yeah, good.
What's up?
Just showing you different things.
Well, put it on your lap. I can't see it. There you go, folks. Now, what is the next thing we have to do? Daddy has to do.
Put this on a shelf, because this is an easy target for kids.
Oh, for your nephews and nieces, yeah.
But this is not a toy.
No, I know. So Daddy has to build a shelf for you.
Yes.
Where are you going to put it? In the stairwell or in your room?
Probably in my room.
Ah, where? Up near your bed, maybe?
I don't know where yet.
Yeah. Okay.
You have a fly here.
I know, I just know. Is it a fly or is it a bee? Is it a bee?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put that down.
Anyway, put that down. Because it's very delicate. Or is it? Is it delicate?
If it drops, yes.
Yeah.
This thing would shatter.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
I
here we are.
love this car, but what is one feature that I do not like about this car?
Oh, the fact that that piece is missing. I know. You never did get that.
I'm about to order this piece.
You never did get that.
It didn't come in the set.
It didn't come. Now you ordered another bit. That is sort of noticeable. What a bummer. Yeah, that's a shame.
I didn't actually order the other side for this yet.
No. Anyway, it's a beautiful day.
Yeah. Did they
Sitting here?
hear about the?
Oh, did that? No, you have another Lego kit that I bought. Did I surprise you with another Lego kit? Tell them.
Yes, and it's one of the ones I actually wanted.
Yeah, it's a, what is it?
Is it? Not 1978, 1968.
1964 Mustang.
I thought it was a 67.
1964. That's the classic. That's the classic Mustang.
Yeah, there's this one, and there's another Camaro. What is on a lot bigger scale, like close to this scale.
Yeah. As you can hear.
Yep, Jake bricks.
Yeah. As you can hear, we live on a busy road here. Out back is very, very quiet, but it's interesting. During the course of a day, we have right here a school right down there. That is horrific. That is absolutely horrific. But actually, we've sort of gotten used to it. It's all right. And it's so nice because this is the side of our porch, and that's what we look at. And many times, 3 times, 4 times, excuse me, Maxwell, 4 times during the day, this is a school zone. So it's very quiet, but I've come out, believe it or not, I've come out and it's fairly noisy. Oh, no, what happened?
No, it's fine.
You okay?
Yeah. It's fine.
All right. Okay, well that's all.
See that engine thing?
Yeah, look at the engine.
Will it don't pop off this piece? Will it do it? Will it not do it? No. Wheel.
Yeah, look at that. That is awesome.
And it's supposed to move freely, but sometimes it doesn't always move.
Yeah. So you're going to take a break before you do your other Mustang one. We got to get this up on a shelf first.
Yeah, like once I get this shelf up, I'll still continue doing the other one. Are we gonna show progress of that yet?
Yeah, we'll show progress when you start it.
Why don't you? Show
Oh no,
I made some progress.
You have started it. I have that a little bit of film.
Yes, and I don't need a bajillion plates because
I know.
You thought I'm gonna lose all those pieces, but literally has bag 1, bag 2.
Yeah, no, that one is, and that one, this one was rated age 10.
Like
age 10 plus. The other one is rated age 16.
It's the pieces they use.
Yeah.
The different pieces.
Yeah. So anyway, just thought we'd say hello, good morning to you guys. And Maxwell's sitting here enjoying our lovely, peaceful, quiet porch in the country.
Yeah. You really love trailers.
I hate trailers. Anyway,
what is that one game where I just play tow trailers a lot?
I don't know what that is. So this is where we sit, and it's okay most of the time. Sometimes it's very busy. Anyway, there's my leaf quilt. How many years ago did I make that? About 20 years ago. That was one of the first quilts I ever made.
I was 2 years old.
You were, and all the boys, all your brothers would take it. And the dog, the last time Niles took it, he says, "Oh, Ollie loves this." And I'm like, "That's your dog." The dog's wrapped up in the quilt. I'm like, "Give me the quilt back." So I washed it again.
Does it still smell like Oliver?
No, it's clean. Does it still smell like Maxwell? You just took a shower.
This quilt is like my backpack.
It is.
It just will never die.
How long have you had that backpack? We bought Maxwell a backpack in fourth grade?
Fourth grade, yes. Fourth.
Well, Daddy did.
You kept bringing me to cheaper backpacks.
I was like, look, we've gone through so many backpacks. Let's buy a cheap old backpack. And Daddy said, "No, darling, let's buy him an expensive backpack."
The most expensive backpack on the sticking shelf.
And actually, that doesn't usually happen. That it's not always true that the most expensive is the best. But in this case, you're going to be 20. Oh, you're going to be 23 tomorrow. I completely forgot about that.
How can you forget about your?
Because we don't celebrate birthdays.
I know you don't celebrate. I know we don't celebrate birthdays, but you should know when I turned 23.
I did. I just remember. I just reminded myself. October the 8th. October 8th, 1999. Maxwell will be 23 years old. All right. Sorry to keep you up. All right, folks. There's Maxwell's Lego car.
Yep. I need more coffee.
You need more coffee. Thank you for sharing that, Maxwell, and thank you, folks, for following along with Maxwell and his Lego car. We'll bring you his new Mustang when he starts it. All right, everybody, come. Love from the Trueloves. Bye.